Hi everyone. I had a really good question submitted to me that I wanted everybody to look at. This is somebody's code. They sent it to me when they're doing the show what you know assignment, and there's some errors in the code down here where it highlights question num, and the issue is cannot find symbol. So you see, always read your error message. It says cannot find symbol. In other words, the program doesn't know what this is. Okay, and so if we go up to the top, you can see question num is very clearly defined right here. So this is an issue between local and global variables. What that means is if you look here, there's a button that has to be pressed in order for all of this stuff to happen. And some of the stuff is, well, we make all these strings and we make question num, and we're making some variables, doing some stuff in here. But as soon as it hits this bracket, any variable that was declared inside this method is going to disappear. That's what we call a local variable. So for question num, if I want question num to be available everywhere, I would want to take that line of code and I would want to make it not a local variable inside brackets, but I go to the very top up here and I make it what we call a global variable. And as soon as I make it global, now it's available everywhere in the program, not just when I hit a certain button. And so you can see that my error message went away, right? And so when you are using a variable that you need all over the place in your program, you want to have it up here so that it's available in all the functions and not just the one where you hit that button. I'm not sure if that's going to happen more in this. Like I see these are all variables here, and they're only created when the button is pressed. You might need to put those up top as well. I'm not sure how the program works, but I just wanted to point out the difference between a global variable, which is declared at the top of the program, or local variables, which are declared inside a certain button or a certain method, stuff like that. So I hope that made sense, and have a great weekend.